Welcome to Hamlin Cabinet Corporation, Norfolk, Massachusetts. We're a family-run business. It's been in business now since 1964. My dad had started it. I've been running it now the last 22 years, and we've been doing custom cabinetry for all that time in Norfolk. So we have a lot of people who will ask different questions in that when they'll first come into us, and they're asking, where do we start? Do we need a contractor? Do we not need a contractor? Do we have a list of names of people if we need people? I've been in it for over 40 years. We have lists of different people that we can bring on for you, plumbers, electricians, plasterers, anybody you're going to need for your projects. So we like to see the customers do when they first come in is have some sort of an idea of what they're looking for their appliances. So they know what they're looking for. If it's going to be a 30-inch range, a 36-inch cook surface, single oven, double oven, microwave drawer, anything like that. Just so we have a round idea of what we're going to be looking for when we start looking at things for sizing the kitchenry. We will go out to measure the job at your house, then we'll come back to our location. We can go through different things for designs, colors, door styles, cabinet styles. And we're offering a variety of different things here, not just our full custom at this point. We also picked up a few brand names where they can do either a semi-custom, which means they'll vary the sizes a little bit, whether it be a little shorter, a little wider, anything like that. They can make those changes for us. They're only available in a larger number of colors, but not as many as we'll do anything color spectrum that there is available from Sherwin-Williams, Benjamin Moore, anything like that. We can get the colors to match. On the semi-custom lines, they have a specific brand that they're going to be using. A lot of them use a Sherwin-Williams product, and they'll match certain colors. They may have 30, 40 colors, things like that they'll match for, which is still a good array. Then as you get into a standard cabinet, which is only available in certain sizes, they're only going to be 9, 12, 15 wide. They go on a 3-inch increment, and they're only available on those certain sizes in specific colors. So it's a little more limited on things, and it helps some people make decisions on things. If they're just looking for a lower cost type of thing, they want the cabinet in there that doesn't have to be too fussy about their fit in that, then that cabinet can work well for them. If you're looking for the full bow custom where we want it specifically to fit to your home, that's something we've been doing here at Hamlin Cabinet, as I said, for 57 years. It's made specifically for your house, measured for your house, cut to fit your house. We'll have our installers go out to cut to fit it. And it's something that looks like a piece of furniture. We take a lot of pride in what we do from start to finish on it. We want a customer to feel when they walk into our showroom that they're comfortable, that they're at ease. We're going to help walk you through the different processes that are out there. You can have architects draw things up. You can have designers come to give you ideas and that. And at the same time, we'll work with anybody. Doesn't matter if you have a contractor, if you have a designer. We can suggest any of those for you also at the same time. For us, we do kitchens all the time. For a customer coming in, it may be the only kitchen they ever do in their life. It might be their 10th kitchen that they're done. We have no idea. So we want them to feel comfortable with it, and we want them to be relaxed so they're making the decision that they want to be, and we want to explain to them the different criteria that they're looking for or different options that are available for them. Now we can start our design process. We can go upstairs and take a look at that, and we will go through it all, put it on a computer for you, and you can see individually inside every cabinet what's going to be in there, whether it's going to be shelves, whether it's going to be roll-out shelves, whether it would be drawers from the one point out, that it's just going to be one single rollout as opposed to swinging doors open and rolling out the shelf inside there. We can go through, pull out trash bins. 2 bins are very popular for customers at this point, one for recycle, one for trash on the front side of it. Different rollout units that are available on the different custom sizes, and they're also available in regards for the semi-custom lines, again only in certain sizes. Custom end of it, if we're looking for something larger to hold anything on, we call it spice rollouts, but I mean it could hold liquor on there, it could hold anything on that you're looking to put onto it. Could be flours, sugars, oils, different things on larger containers. It's not just the narrow ones. They don't have to be just the narrow pieces that you're going to find at other locations. We can choose colors, we can go over the different moldings, we can choose whether it's going to be a decorative hood. You can do the inserts on the inside of that. Again, that would be part of the appliances that you'd be choosing. So if that's something you're looking for, that's what we want to go through and figure all those things out for the customer. We can get in the decorative legs. We can add in the different detailings for an inset cabinet with a beaded design to it that has the inset drawer front to it. You can also do something that has the inset door styling to it. So those are the decisions that will make a difference as we start designing it and presenting those to the customer with our software that we have. It's a state-of-the-art software. We can change colors, we can change countertops, we can change floors, we can change all those things to give you a better simulation in regards for what your kitchen is going to look like. You can even change the lighting around in the rooms a little bit. So it's something that gives you a really great idea of what you're looking for. From that point, once we've designed that out for the customer, we'll send them the 3D views so they can look at it, review it, maybe make some changes to it, maybe not, and then we can work on pricing from that point. Whether it's going to be a painted cabinet, a stained cabinet, a natural clear finish cabinet that would have something on it. So it has the natural walnut look to it, it has a natural cherry look to it, has a natural maple to it, anything on that idea. But once we get customers into it, we want them to feel comfortable with it. We'll walk them through it, walk them through the design process. Once we've agreed on everything to that point, we'll start the fabrication to it. Part of our software is actually helping to run some of the CNC equipment that we have now for cutting the plywoods and different things. So once you see it in the design software, we've made provisions for whether there be wires or different things that are going to be in the cabinetry. We make those allowances on it in the software that you can see. The machine will actually cut that for us. Group up all the pieces. We're hand assembling them all. We want to take our detail to them, take our time, make sure that there aren't any rough edges or anything like that. So we follow through with everything else. Make sure they're smooth, they're clean, they're neat. And then that process will go from that point to assembly, to either a stain finish at that point or a paint finish. We get everything completed at that. Assemble the hardware. Once the hardware is onto it, we're all set in regards for now we need to go to the installation at your house. We can get the old cabinets removed. You can have those out if it's a new house and we're just going to be going into a clean slate in there. Our installs will come out, cut to fit the walls, make allowances if they need to so everything fits tight. It looks basically like it's been there forever. We pride ourselves in our finished product. We don't use any particle board, furniture board, or anything like that on our products. We want it to last for you. We want it to be there forever. It is an investment. Kitchen is an investment. It's nothing you want to keep changing. Every 5 years you don't want to say, I'm going to put a new set of kitchen cabinets in. Countertops, if you're doing any sort of a stone surface to them, let's face it, they aren't going to be wearing out. They're going to be there for a long time, so you want the cabinets underneath them to be lasting the same. Once we're done with the installation, everything works at that point. We go through it. We've mounted all the different hardware, decorative hardware and that to it. And we wish you all the best with your new kitchen. At that point, we move on to our next project. And it's something that we've taken a lot of pride in over the years, and we want to continue that. Thank you for coming by Hamlin Cabinet. I hope you've learned a little bit with what's going on here. It's a process that over the years we have definitely worked on perfecting as much as possible. Our biggest thing is communication with our customers. We want to get back to them. We want them to have a full understanding of what they're getting previous to us walking into their house with it. When we talk about paint finishes and that, one thing I didn't mention earlier is the fact that we use a post-catalyzed finish, which means it's a two-part component, which makes it extremely durable. That's a product that you want to have in your kitchen, a product you want to have in your bathroom, because it stands up as well as it does. We've had different products that we've tried over the years. The conversion varnish is definitely one that stands up the best. Around the water and everything else, we do a one-piece door, MDF door. There's no way, once we seal it with that paint, there's no way for water to get into it. It just lasts as long as possible. We like to stand behind our cabinets. Hardware in that's pretty much guaranteed for life. Any of the manufacturers that we're using are warranted for life on their product. Any failures in that, they can get replaced. Contact them. They'll send you a new one. If you need a hand putting it back in, let us know. We can come out and definitely take care of that for you. We grew up in a small town. We've developed ourselves in a small town. We have people that work for us, and we look at them like they're family to us. We look at any customer coming through the door as family to us. It's not a customer, a person we're going to make a dollar with. It's a person we're going to make our life with. Without you coming in, we're not able to support our family. We're not able to have our workers support their families. So it's something we take a lot of pride in. We become family working with you. We want you to feel that way. And the difference I feel is with family is it is more of a relaxed feeling. We will walk you through it, educate you on it. If you have questions, we will give you our opinion on it. We're not going to flat out tell you no if it's something you want. We're going to give you what you want. We will tell you why we may not recommend it for you, but that's your decision to be making. Again, thank you for coming by Hamlin Cabinet Corporation. We've been here since 1964 in Norfolk. We enjoy it here in Norfolk, and we plan on staying here. Thank you very much.